Hey everybody, Mohawk Joe here. We're at my house that burned on April 24th, 2019, and I just been weed eating with this Ryobi 18 volt lithium. Man, that thing is awesome. I got the big battery there, but that thing is just awesome. But anyway, here's a look at some of what I've done. I just weed eated. My property runs up there to about the top, almost 3/4 up the hill, and then it goes this way to the big oak over there, but just the other side of my driveway, which is down here. But yeah, I just weed eated all this stuff right here with that Ryobi. Man, what a great tool. I had one before the fire and I really liked it, so I went ahead and bought another one since I had my batteries and stuff in with my storage with my tools. So but yeah, man, that thing is great, man. It worked all that and my battery's still running. I did a bunch down in the front, but yeah, we're working on it. Trash man didn't take our trash today. Guess he don't want to haul our house off a bag at a time, but that's not what we're wanting anyway. That's just trash. But yeah, we're getting it there. It's going to be a lot of work and it's going to be a long ways to home, but hopefully everybody will help us out, and like they've promised, a lot of people have promised, but we'll see what happens. But I've been cleaning up there in the kitchen, and the stairs here are still nice, but we got a little burn on the front of the deck there. But I'm backfilling here with all this ash and building this wall in front behind that fountain there. And got all this deck left, but our swing's still good. We enjoy sit there, but yeah, we're working on it. Everybody share this and give us a thumbs up, and we've had tons of help and we appreciate everything that everybody's done for us. We got our tent set up back there. There's Naya, our guard dog. Sigmund's here beside me. We got a lot of cleanup to do, a lot of organization to do. Hauled in some metal already, got some more metal sorted out there. We got to clean out the basement and get rid of all this stuff, but there's still I got a lot of coins in here still. We got to dig out, and there's a lot of things I think we'll find. We found some pretty unusual stuff in the fire. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please share. We'll be back to share some more. Have a good night.